Just want to do a quick little video. This is my chicken pile here. I've had it, been dumping stuff here for a while, and I stopped dumping stuff for probably about, I don't know, 6 weeks, 5-6 weeks. You can see I got all kinds of tomato plants growing here. These are all tomato plants. This is in a chicken pile. It might be green peppers, but I can smell it. It's all tomato plants. Ton of tomato plants. This is all the chicken stuff from the coops. Ready-made garden here. Let's see, I'm getting all the stuff. Big tomato plants. We'll see what happens. I don't know if the rabbits are going to get it before me or what, but I started putting all the stuff in. There's a low area over there, that part of the land where I've been putting all the shavings. So I haven't put nothing here in a while, but it's kind of obvious that the tomato plants are growing here. I never planted nothing. It just came up from, you know, I feed the chickens tomatoes and green peppers and onions and all kinds of different stuff from the meat market, and I guess it passes right through them and the seeds come up. Unbelievable. We'll have to see what else comes up, but there's definitely tomatoes here. Tomato plants. I'm gonna let them grow and we'll see what happens. Boxed in a little area here so they can come out and eat the grass. Hey ladies, what's going on? Huh? Hello. Hello. Yeah, boxing a little area out so they can come outside the run and eat the grass. They pretty much killed it all. The same thing over here with these guys. Keeping the grass all mowed. Hello. Hello, ladies. What's going on here? What's going on? Hey, Mr. Rooster. Taking care of the females? Yeah, so I basically boxed this in and I let them out, and they're over here picking at the grass and keeping it all mowed down. It gets to the point where I can, you know, I'll extend it out. I got plenty of grass. I can just keep extending it out. Hello. Yeah, you're getting a little shabby looking there. Oh, yeah, next level. Yeah, you like the grass. You like the fresh grass? Oh, yeah, you do. Yeah, you like it. There's that coop over there, and I got different coops, but I open the door, let them out, let them in the grass. Let them eat the grass. Mr. Rooster, what's going on here? Two-pump chump. What's going on here, Mr. Two-pump chump? Hello, ladies. Hello, ladies. Hello. 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 These red sex lynx, I mean, they're very friendly chickens. I mean, they come right up to you. come right up to you. They're very friendly, curious. Great breed. Very curious. Yeah, so, you know, I don't mind letting them out here in the grass, give them some fresh grass to eat, and I mean, gives them a better life than being stuck inside that, you know, that run area, you know. And I got plenty of grass. I got, you know, I can extend it way out if I want, so we'll see. The problem is the birds can come down from the top and get them if they wanted to, but it is what it is. I kind of blocked this all off with gates so all the chickens can go eat the grass underneath the scrap trailer. You can see them all in there. The grass is getting tall, so give them a little bit of roaming around. I opened up the door over there. It's got some high grass in that area there. Give him a little bit of grass. So keep the, you know, mow it all down for me. Mr. Rooster, someone's picking on you, pulling all your tail feathers out. Oh, yeah. Menopause man is not so nice. Somebody pulled all his tail feathers out. One of the females. So what happens when you get involved with all these females? They beat you up. I know it. Yeah. They pull all your feathers out. That's what I would say. Oh, yeah, next level. Yeah, they love to forage. These guys love to forage, so we'll give them a little bit of... They'll go over and they'll clean all this grass up for me. Now, I could put regular sections of fence. It's just all gates that I had hanging around. I just put them there for now. But I got plenty more fence. I got fence in the back. I could fence this right in. Do what I gotta do. I got more fence here. I got a whole stack of fence here. I got plenty of fence. Give me the egg, man. Oh, man. I want the egg. Yeah, give me the egg. Oh, man. Oh, you're getting granny panties in a bunch.